Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying essentials. Power and connection matter first. Check batteries or USB or repair Bluetooth. This rules out simple link failures. Once done, restart your computer to clear transient drivers and test the spacebar in a different program to isolate software issues. Make sure to try another USB port or a different computer if available. This tells you whether the keyboard itself is faulty. If the spacebar feels sticky, carefully inspect and consider removing the keycap to look for debris. Do this gently to avoid breaking clips. Next, focus on drivers and system settings because many spacebar problems are software-related. Open Device Manager or your OS keyboard settings, update or uninstall and reinstall the keyboard driver so the system redetects it. Once done, check input languages, keyboard layout, and accessibility features like sticky keys. These can remap or block the spacebar. Then run a keyboard test utility or use the on-screen keyboard to verify the space key sends the correct code. This helps to finally perform the repair steps if hardware is to blame. Use compressed air and a small brush to clear debris. For mechanical switches, apply a tiny amount of isopropyl alcohol and actuate the switch to clean contacts, then reassemble. If a keycap or switch is damaged, replace that part or use a spare keyboard. Make sure to test after each change. If problems persist, try the keyboard on another device and swap ports as a key troubleshooting tip. Back up important data before deep system changes or full resets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.